Kill me now! Kill me! Bobby!
Sir, miss squad, I shot one, he has a knife!
Henüz sadece 4 aydır tam zamanlı görevde olan polis memuru Joshua, Interstate otoyolunda yürüyen bir adama rastladığında onun cinayetten aranan Pablo Aleman olduğunu bilmiyordu. Üst araması yapmak istediği anda ise olay bir anda kontrolden çıktı.
You can't walk on the highway.
I'm sorry about that.
You got any ID on you?
No, man.
You don't have any ID? Where you coming from?
Dayton.
You're coming from Dayton? Where you been staying at?
Staying?
Yeah.
No, I just came and looking for a taxi company or something like that.
How'd you get down this far?
The Chinese bus.
Okay.
Somebody was supposed to bring me out there, but she didn't appear.
Okay, what's your name?
Carlos. The Spanish for Charles.
What's your last name?
Umbrella.
How you spell it?
A-M-B-L-L-L.
2 L's?
R.
R?
E-L-A.
You have a social security number?
No.
You have anything on you that tells you who you are?
No, man.
What you got in your backpack?
Very close.
Alright, let's just set it down here. 7 King 11, code 6. 7 King 11, I'll be southbound 75 at the 14/9. I'll be out with one subject that was walking. Keep your hands out of your pockets for me.
Sorry, sir.
Here, let's walk up to my cruiser real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you place your hands on the back of my cruiser. I'm going to pat you down for officer safety. I'm going to pat you down for
Kill me now! Kill me! Motherfucker! Kill me now!
7 King 11, shots fired, shots fired!
Kill me!
Sir, mid squad, I shot one, he has a knife!
Kill me! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you!
Sir, get down!
I'm gonna kill you!
Sir, get down!
I'm gonna kill you!
Sir, get down! Get down! Get down!
Kill me, motherfucker!
Get down! Stay down!
Kill me!
Stay down! Stay down!
Polisi intihara alet etmek Amerika'da sıkça yaşanan bir durum ama memur Joshua bunun bir parçası olmayı reddetti.
Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Drop the knife! Drop the fucking knife! Drop the knife!
Kill me! 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 Kill me, man! Kill me! Holy shit! Kill me! Kill me!
Get down! Get down!
Kill me! Kill myself!
Get down!
No!
He's hit once!
Kill me!
Fuck!
Kill me!
Sir, get down!
Kill me!
Get on the ground! Watch your back, Lynn! Watch your back, Lynn!
Please!
Get
Begging you!
down!
Run!
Get down!
I'm gonna kill somebody else!
Get down!
Get down on the ground!
You got a van behind you! Get down!
Kill me!
Down!
Get down!
C-25, I'm with you.
Kill me!
We got him at gunpoint. Subject at gunpoint.
Kill me!
Get down!
Kill
How many
me!
people are injured? How many
Sir,
people shot?
kill me!
Everybody shot.
Kill me! Go ahead, do it! Do it!
Get down!
Beni öldür diye sayıklayan Pablo'nun sadece 2 hafta önce ev sahibi Victor Serrano'yu bu bıçakla katlettiği ortaya çıktı.
Do it!
7 King 11, one shot, subject shot only. Subject shot only in the abdomen. Still has a knife, not following any orders.
Kill me!
Get on the ground!
Just do it!
Get on the ground!
Do it! Do it!
Vehicle 90, have our units slow traffic down on the interstate to block that off in case there's more shots fired.
Just do it!
Units responding southbound 75 from 275.
Hey, we got no room. We got no room.
Just do it.
Don't want to kill you.
Just get down. We don't want to.
Default 90, if you get somebody shut down northbound off, I don't know what direction the shot.
Shoot him. Watch your gun. Watch your gun.
Glendale, Milford.
Stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Northbound.
No. Get on the ground. Just get down. Sir, please just get down.
Put the knife down.
Sir. Sir, please. Drop the knife.
Somebody else.
No, sir. Let us help you. Drop the knife. Let us help you.
81 on the route from
People out of here. Get this car out. Kill me. God.
Sir, drop the knife. Please drop the knife.
75 to the 14-9.
Please drop the knife.
Suspect
Sir, please drop the knife. Don't do it.
down northbound and southbound 75.
Drop the knife. Drop it.
Don't touch it or I'll hit you again, you understand me?
411, we got a northbound shutdown.
Fuck.
1790. 1790. Subject confusing, copy. Joint Charter Squad this way.
Thanks, guys.
There's subject in custody. Continue squad to the scene.
He shot once in the abdomen.
711. 4791. 4791. Up to 7. You may want to put air care on standby.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw him walking, so I called Lynn. I got out, he was talking to me, he's fine. I said, what you got in the bag? He said, oh, just dirty clothes. I said, okay, hey, let me go up here and pat you on the back. As soon as he went for that, he went straight for his waist and pulled out a knife.
81 at Mermaid at this time. What do you say? Shut it down.
Yeah, I was up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be, it happened right by my cruiser.
1790, go ahead.
You alright? Yeah. Fuck. Should I cut this? Huh? Should I cut it or keep going?
Department subject now in custody. Subject now in custody.
I'm Keenan. Keenan,
Hey,
River
Keenan.
Springdale.
How you doing?
75.
You alright, brother?
Yeah, okay.
Southbound 75. Continue to be shut down until further. 1333.
Well, it's sick. Take a minute to decompress, man.
Default 90. Can you give us an
Take
area
good
1?
care of you.
Area
What
1.
can I do for you? Get a drink or anything like that? Or
No, I'm just glad everybody got here. I appreciate it. He was,
car?
yeah, that's where it started. I just came up because I was going to turn around. When I came up, I saw him walking. I was like, all right, I'll just kind of come over and see what's going on. So I pull over, I hit my lights, and I told Makita, hey, come on up here, I'm going to talk to someone. Headed out over county, I'm talking to him. He's got no ID. He's coming from the Dayton area.
Pablo Aleman bu olayda polis memuruna saldırmaktan 10 yıl hapis cezasına çarptırıldı. Ayrıca ikinci derece cinayetten suçlu bulundu ancak akıl sağlığı yerinde olmadığı tespit edildi. Bu nedenle Ohio'daki cezasını tamamladıktan sonra tedavi altına alınması kararlaştırıldı. Birbirinden ilginç yeni vakalar için takipte kalın.